Tell Grandma.
Oops.
Can you tell Grandma happy birthday?
Happy birthday.
Can you tell Grandma happy birthday? Can you say,
Mama.
Oh, look at your nice outfit.
can you say happy birthday, Grandma?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Can you say hello?
Hello.
Can you give the camera a kiss? Oh, good kisses. Hey, Lucy, come here. Hey, Lucy, stop. Can you say, hi, great grandma?
Hey, quick, Mama.
Can you say, hi, Uncle Ed? Stand back.
Hey,
Can you say, hi, Aunt Renee? Come here. Can you say, hi, Uncle Dave?
Hi, Uncle Dave.
Can you say, hi, Aunt Linda?
Hi, Inda.
Can you say, hi, Grandma and Grandpa Sawyer?
Hey, Grandpa Taylor.